Today we are going to unbox this new Canon PowerShot G7x Mark II. If you are new to my channel, hey there, I'm Tracy Rose and I do videos all about building a business from home, so that includes being a mum and doing that as well, mindset and marketing stuff. So if these topics interest you, consider subscribing. This unboxing, you've got to realize, is from someone who is quite new to using cameras. I've always used my iPhone to do videos for my business, which has worked up to a point on social media, but when I wanted to do better quality videos, first of all, I just borrowed a friend's camera. So I've been using, what I'm using right now is a Canon 60D. Now the only thing with the Canon 60D is that it's like really big and it's really heavy and it's not like the most user-friendly or easiest to use. I'm kind of techie, but I did feel like when I went to go out and do some vlogging for my business, that was just not possible. I don't know about you, but when I'm trying to pack food for kids and medication for my daughter and my handbag and then like this big massive camera, it's just really not very practical. So I researched high and low. I watched a lot of videos from Sean Cannell, so if you don't know who he is, I will link his channel below. He does a lot of tech reviews. I looked at heaps of people who were using cameras for YouTube videos, but like I didn't want to just follow people who do like makeup videos and tutorials and things like that. I was really looking for tutorials from people who are building a business from home around their family and kind of get the things that my life is about. So I decided that this camera was going to be the best, I hope, and let's unbox it together. This is the box that it came in. I also got an SD card and a little case. Open it up. Now I will put links below in the description if you want to check out the G7X. We've got some paperwork. Okay, getting started. I'm going to have to read this because I've never used this camera before. We've got the power cord. Battery. Battery charger. Little handle. Big reveal. Wow, look how small this is. I'm going to get the camera that I've been using and just show you the difference. Oh my god. Look at this monstrosity. Now this does have an incredible lens on it and everything, but again, look, maybe I'm showing my full-on naivety here, but I really don't know if I'd get the maximum use out of this. I would probably figure it out, but look at this, trying to fit this in my handbag. This has obviously got a big lens on it compared to this. So let's pop that over there. So this is what it looks like. This fits in the palm of my hand. It's about maybe the thickness of like 3 mobile phones. We've got an on-off switch here. I don't know what this bit is here. Oh, maybe that's where the battery goes. No, the battery goes down here. Okay, battery. I'm gonna pop that in like this. Oh, my SD card goes here. So that way. Fits in nicely there. There's a little bit there that you can put on a little tripod stand. Now apparently this is Wi-Fi enabled. I think that just means that I can transfer my photos over, maybe without the card. And here we've got a USB port here and an HDMI port there, see? I do know a little bit about what I'm talking about, but not much. This is all learned from YouTube videos. Okay, time to turn it on. Oh wow. Yeah, that lens comes out quite far. That's quite nice. So it's saying to set the date and time. Is this touch screen? Oh, it's touch screen. That is cool. This little screen, I was a little bit confused, but it pops out like this and then like that. I recorded a few seconds of me. So let's look at the playback button. So this button here. As you can see here, you can go back to the start of the video And then even like with the menu, so I can look at the menu. So you can press all these buttons, like there's the set button and you can press the menu here and stuff like that. But there's also, yeah, this touch screen function, which I think is quite cool. I had a quick look online at some videos as well, and it just talked about some of these other settings. So you can have a look at a full tutorial. Now this is where you zoom in and out. Okay, you can see how it does that. One other thing I did find interesting is this Face ID settings. If you go to the main menu here and then you click this red one here, and then I went to the number 2 settings, so that's number 1. Let's go, oh my goodness, number 2, and then Face ID settings. What you can do is you can add your Face ID so that it always recognizes you and your face and following your face around when you're filming and stuff like that in the shot, I think. I don't know. I'm gonna have a look at some of my Face ID, what I've set in there. Oh no, that's on. Okay, let's set that. Oh, there we go. See how I've put myself in there? And what I did was I put in a few angles of my face. I got to figure out this Wi-Fi thing. Oh, okay, there's a little flash going on there. Look at that. Okay, cool. Press that button. Whoop. And we're going to flash. When you're filming, you press this button. Now, I'm not sure if there's another button on the front because I would find that that's a bit funny because most of the videos that I do, I will be doing, you know, this. And so it would be better a button on the front that would start filming, but I can reach it enough around here. So if I just click there, so that's the record button there. And I suppose that's fine. I have set this up on my tripod, so I've got the little flip screen up, and there we go, that's on. Hi. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to record from this camera now.
Hi. Bye.
Bye. Okay, so what I've got done, I might switch the lighting around, but at the moment the frame in the video is following my face. The background is a little bit blurred out, so it's not as in focus. I think I'm looking in the wrong spot. I was looking in the viewfinder, which I know totally not to do in filming, but this is a new camera and I'm sort of figuring out where am I supposed to look. Let's change the lighting direction and see if that looks good as well. God, I gotta look in the right spot. This is just using natural lighting with the little viewfinder facing me so I can see what's recording sort of in my peripheral, which is kind of cool. I'm interested to see like how good a quality this is compared to just using the front facing camera of my iPhone. But let's compare them side by side. Wow, this is interesting to see both. Oh my gosh. Yeah, this camera is definitely better. Do you know what? I actually found another feature where you can actually make your skin look nice and smooth as well. And you can blur out the background more or less with whatever shot. I still think I'm looking in the wrong spot. Far out. This is gonna take me a while. So it's actually the next day and we are going to go to the local shopping centre. Maxi has saved some money. He got a Nintendo Switch and he's got some money to buy a new game for that. So we're gonna go to the shops and do that.
I have Mario Kart 8 on here.
And what are we getting you?
Splatoon 2.
Splatoon 2. Now I thought I would also show you what this camera looks like when filming outside. So I've come down to the beach and I'm going to go for a walk with a friend around the headland and I'll show you that too. Just wait for some amazing views. hope you enjoyed that review. Thanks for watching, and if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed and you like this type of video, then consider subscribing. Oh, and don't forget to click the notification bell to make sure that you get notified when I upload a new video, which I do every single week.